In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Wix website to HTML, what you need to know. Before we dive in, it's important to set expectations. Wix does not provide a direct HTML export, so there isn't a built-in button that downloads your site as clean, standalone files. What you can create is a static snapshot by manually copying the code and assets your browser loads, which is great for reference, archiving, or building a non-Wix version, but it won't reproduce Wix's dynamic features. Start by opening your live Wix site in a browser. Right-click anywhere on the page and choose View Page Source. This shows the HTML your browser received. Select everything, copy it, and paste it into a plain text editor. Save the file as index.html. That gives you the basic structure, but you'll notice the page references external style sheets, scripts, and images. Those assets are essential if you want the page to look anything like the original. In the source, look for link tags that point to .css files and script tags that load JS files. Open each of those links in a new tab and save them locally. Create folders like CSS and JS to keep things organized. Then, go back to your HTML and update the href and src paths so they point to your local copies instead of the online URLs. Do the same for images referenced with img tags by opening each image URL, saving it into an images folder, and updating the src paths accordingly. Some images won't be in img tags at all. They may be set as background images inside CSS. Open your saved CSS files and search for URL. Download those image files as well and place them in your images folder, updating paths as needed. If something still doesn't appear, open your browser's developer tools and check the network tab while loading your local page to see which files are missing or blocked, then save and relink those. Be aware that Wix often injects content and behavior via JavaScript at runtime. That means menus, galleries, forms, stores, logins, and other app features may not function in a static copy. Proprietary Wix scripts may also rely on services you can't reproduce locally. Your static HTML is primarily for layout, styling, and visible content. When you've gathered the HTML, CSS, scripts, and images, open your local index HTML in a browser to test. If it looks right with your internet disconnected, you've likely captured what you need. Finally, only copy content you own or have rights to use. That's the practical way to convert a Wix page into a usable HTML snapshot while understanding the limitations.